In this video, I am going to show you how to access Facebook Marketplace. To access Facebook Marketplace, open the Facebook app, log in with your account. On the Facebook app, tap the Marketplace icon in the shortcut bar. Then you can easily access the Facebook Marketplace. If you don't find the Facebook Marketplace here in the shortcut bar, then tap on the menu bar and here you will find the Marketplace icon. If you still don't find the Facebook Marketplace, tap on See More. You will find some more options and here you will definitely find Facebook Marketplace icon. If you don't see the Marketplace icon, it's possible that you are not eligible to use Facebook Marketplace. You can contact Facebook support to inquiry about your eligibility. Here are some additional tips accessing Facebook Marketplace. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Facebook app. To check this, open the Play Store app. Here, search for Facebook and you will find I am using the updated version. Otherwise, you will find the update button here. If you find the update button on your phone, update the Facebook app. Then you will be able to access the Facebook Marketplace. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection. You can try using a different device to access Facebook Marketplace. Try clearing the cache and data of the Facebook app. Go to the Facebook app, tap and hold the Facebook icon and you will find App Info. Tap on the Storage and Cache and then tap on Clear Cache. You can also clear the storage data and you may need to log in again using your username and password. If the problem still exists, you can try restarting your device. Turn off your device and turn it on again. If you are still having problems, you can contact Facebook support for help. To contact Facebook support, tap on the menu button, scroll down and you will find help and support. Here you will find report a problem. Then you can report your problem. Tap on the continue to report a problem. You can include the screenshot of your problem or not. I will go with the including report. Here you need to find the marketplace from here. Here is the marketplace and describe your issue. That you are not able to access your Facebook Marketplace, describe your issue and send the report to Facebook support team. You will find the send button in the top right corner. Once you have access to your Facebook Marketplace, you can start browsing for items to buy or sell. You can also list your own items for sale. Facebook Marketplace is a great way to find deals on used items or to sell unwanted items quickly and easily. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.